Hello, everyone. I'm Jason Kelsey, and I just wanted to welcome you to the virtual back to school night. Uh, this semester, we'll be going over aquatic ecology with your students. My contact information is here. If you have any questions over the course of the entire semester, please feel free to reach out to me. A little bit about me. I hold my master's in environmental science from Stockton. I did my undergraduate at Rowan, and I have 14 years of classroom teaching experience with a number of years within informal education and outdoor education through Fish and Wildlife. Just a little rundown. I teach biology, GIS as a senior elective, research methods, and aquatic ecology this semester, so I'll have your students for half the day. And I'm also one of the student research coordinators. So we're following the same digital platform that all the other classes are maintaining. So we'll be using Google Classroom, where all my lectures will be posted, all the assignments will be posted, and any other notifications, especially currently right now with a lot of these virtual snow days. I will be using Zoom for my video platform. So that meeting link will be posted on there, and it also just continues through the research methods course. Parent portal will be updated about weekly, approximately, depends on how many assignments come through. I use the point system, so I don't weight any assignments greater than the others. They're all just given specific point values. So the larger the project, the more points. So students will get the points earned over the points possible. And that's how their marking period grades will be calculated as well. Students that are hybrid or virtual will be going through lectures continuously. So no one's really going to miss anything. It's just whether they are present in school or not. Assignments and activities will try to rotate days as often as possible. So that way every student gets a chance to do something hands-on. All the assessments will be virtual. I do a lot of quizzes. I don't do a whole lot of unit tests or anything like that. So I usually do smaller quizzes along the way. And we will try to go into field. There's a number of different locations around the school that we can actually walk to for water sampling and things like that. In aquatic ecology, we focus on freshwater. So a little bit of jump from marine bio as a freshman, where we focus on saltwater and the Barnegat Bay community. Now we're going to be looking at a lot of the local ecology, the local streams and ponds. And currently, we're locked into just what's around the school, which there is a lot of different options. So I'm happy about that. Other main topics that we'll cover this semester are water quality. So all of the different parameters that go into a water quality analysis. We'll be doing a lot of the sampling and field testing, and then we'll bring water samples back to the classroom and work on them here. We look at a lot of human impacts of water usage and throughout locally and then also globally. We'll go into the geologic origin of lakes and rivers, their impacts, waterborne pathogens, and I'd like to spend a little bit of time at the end of the spring on engineering. So like bridges, there's a lot of cool features and structures that are built in and around water that are really just fascinating. So I like to spend a little bit of time looking at the engineering aspect of things as well. And one of the other things that I started last semester that I thought was really beneficial is we started reading the book, The Death and Life of the Great Lakes by Dan Egan. And everything in that book is pretty much covered through the entire course of aquatic ecology. So it focuses specifically on the Great Lakes and both historically and throughout the time. So you can see the changing faces of the Great Lakes, and many of those issues are mirrored in water all over the globe. So it's a really good book, and we'll spend some time reading that throughout the whole semester. And that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, please, again, reach out to me. You can email me or call the school, and I'll be happy to talk to you. Thank you.